Hi everyone, welcome to another Autodesk screencast by Zon Ta of Repro Products. This screencast will showcase how to manage your InfraWorks models within the cloud. If you like this video and would like to see more, please search for Zon Ta or VAR2016. Thanks for watching. Here I am in Autodesk InfraWorks 360. In the home page of the application, you'll notice you have a few models already created. If you hover your mouse over the icon of one of them that you're working with, it'll expand and it'll give you a date and who it's by and what group it's associated with and who the author is. If you put your mouse in the lower right corner where there's a little cloud icon and leave it there, it'll expand and give you the cache location for your local model. So in other words, when you're working with InfraWorks, your model that you're creating and working with is actually synchronized with the model that's online in the cloud. In the upper left-hand corner, there's an icon that says Manage Online Models and Scenarios. If you select this, your window will open up. It's called Manage. And the first thing you'll notice is you have several groups to work with. These groups are part of your account, so I'm going to switch mine to the default group for me. And you'll notice in there, it'll list your online models. In the left-hand pane, it will list the name of the model, and if you expand it by clicking the arrow, it'll drop down and give you a list of all the proposals that you've created within that particular InfraWorks model. A proposal in InfraWorks model is when you set it up to have different kind of case scenarios, one being, say, an existing conditions, one being a proposed design, one being an alternate design, so on and so forth. So in this particular InfraWorks model, I have the master, which is the default, and which is one that you cannot rename and cannot remove. And then I have several others that I've made. One where it shows a Revit model of a bridge that was added. I have one where the bridge precondition exists, in other words, just a road. I also have a proposal for an InfraWorks bridge that was created within the InfraWorks software. And then I have a Revit bridge that was added as well. And then lastly, I have a proposal for the Revit bridge imported in via FBX file format. And the top level that you have highlighted here, it will list the name of the file, the size, and then the dates as well on the right-hand side for when it was updated and when was it worked on. As you select each one of the proposals, the right-hand side will give you the information that resides. If you need to, you can select any one of them that you want except the master and hit delete and it'll go away. The other thing you also want to make sure is that there's a refresh button in the upper right hand corner that gives you the ability to refresh the data that's on your local cache to the online server location. So if I click refresh, it will automatically pull the information that's on your workstation and update the data as well to the cloud. If you want to, you can click Manage Online Scenarios tab and get into this portion of the Manage window. If you click Close, you're out of the Manage window and you're back into the InfraWorks model. You also have a couple other icons to work with, by the way. You have the Manage Groups and Cloud Models, and you have the Manage Group Membership. The Home button here allows you to take you back to the models on a browser methodology. So if I select it, it should open up the browser, and mine is defaulted to Chrome, and you can access it this way as well. And that's it. That's a very quick tutorial on how to work with InfraWorks and managing your online models. Thank you very much for watching.